Hi, my name is Sebastian Roman, and this video is for the class of English B1. The part of the magazine I made, I choose to make this video is BU because it's me. Made by me, Sebastian Roman Gomez, and I want to show you some of the things I wrote in the magazine. And there I told that when I was in high school, I was a really shy guy. I didn't like to talk to everyone, and it was hard to me to make friends because I was kind of weirdo. I liked punk music, rock music, and metal music, and I used to wear my hair just like the guy in the image, like you can see. And it was weird. It was weird for that time because it was in 2008. Considering that I was in a public school in Colombia, more specific in Bucaramanga, Santander, a really conservative city, and it was hard. It was hard for me, but at the time, I made some good friends. Mm, Much of all because I was good in mathematics, physics, and chemistry, and they wanted help with their homework, and I thought, well, I can help them with their homework, and maybe we can be friends. And so it happened. Um, some of them are friends of mine even now after 15 years. And this is a picture of me. I wanted to add it. Um, this is from 2 years ago, and I was wearing a Metallica t-shirt with my long hair, which I love it. I still love that music. I still love rock music, metal music, and pop music. But I'm not bad with like 50 years ago. But that was me. I like to be me.